Today, we're comparing two giants in the tire industry, the Continental PremiumContact 7 and the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6. The Continental PremiumContact 7, a touring tire known for its perfect balance between comfort and efficiency, goes head-to-head with the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6, a tire celebrated for its exceptional handling and braking capabilities. In the crucible of wet conditions, both tires boast exceptional braking performance, earning an EU Label A ratings. But it's in the fine details where differences emerge. The PremiumContact 7 impresses with a braking distance of 39.5 meters, while the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 follows closely with a 0.2 meter longer braking distance. Handling tests reveal a slightly higher lap speed for the Eagle F1, edging out the PremiumContact 7 in both aquaplaning resistance and handling, marking a win for Goodyear in wet conditions. Dry conditions put the spotlight on the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6's superior braking and handling, outperforming the PremiumContact 7 with quicker stops and faster laps, a testament to its uproots. Durability tests reveal a significant advantage for the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6, projecting an impressive mileage that surpasses the PremiumContact 7 by nearly 23%, a notable achievement in the realm of tire longevity. When it comes to noise levels, the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 takes the lead once again, providing a quieter ride without compromising on performance. The Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 has a slight edge over Continental PremiumContact 7 when it comes to rolling resistance. In our comprehensive comparison, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 stands out with its exceptional performance in wet and dry conditions, lower noise levels, and superior durability. A true testament to the prowess of ultra-high performance tires. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.